Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock OPPO Find X9 without password. Okay, but before we begin, a few things. First, I'll tell you that please only try to unlock your phone, in no other case someone else's, because that might be considered as a crime, and that's also unethical. Second thing is that we need to perform a factory reset using the recovery mode, so all of our data will be erased. Third thing is that after the reset, when we get into the setup process, we'll have to verify ourselves by logging in into the Google account into which we are logged in on our device before the reset as a confirmation. So remember about it. Okay, as you can see, my device is locked. I cannot remember my password. So now we need to power off our device. Click on power button and volume up button and select power off. Okay, now to launch the recovery mode, we need to hold power button and volume down button at the same time until it launches. Okay, now select your language. I'll stick to English. Now click on Format Data, type this code using your keyboard, and click on Format. The process will start. Click on OK. And now we just need to simply wait until our phone turns on. The next thing that we need to do is to go through the setup process. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.